Hi there, welcome to Schoology courses. Here I wanted to show you how to create a Schoology assignment. There are a couple different options. We're just going to get started with the first option. You can either create, again, between these folders, so tap that plus sign and look for add assignment, or if you want to create something within a folder, first open that folder, and then you can tap add assignment. Scroll down and choose Add Assignment. So this gives students a chance to submit anything. They can pull from their Google Drive, they can upload a PDF, an image, a video, audio, lots of different options for students. As far as the description is concerned, type out any instructions that you would like to give. Okay, here you can see I have typed up some instructions. This is pretty small. You can see it's around 12-point font. You can always highlight any of your text and change the formatting. So this one currently says paragraph, but if you want to make this maybe heading 2, so it's a little bit larger, same thing. Just always highlight the text that you want to change and then make that happen. So here, maybe instead of 12, I'm going to drop down, make that up to 14. Maybe I want to make sure that they read the article, so I can even bold and I can underline this. I can say video, just so that they can see different things here. You can also highlight anything that you'd like. So you can choose from this drop down and you can highlight in any different color, again, bold. That's how you can make some different kinds of choices. I always like to add a how to submit section for students. I find that this helps them know the steps that they need to take, especially if this is a new platform for them. If you'd like to add a horizontal line, kind of spacing that out, you can also do that as well using your keyboard keys, and it just kind of breaks up that assignment. Here you can attach a file from your computer. This could be an image, a PDF, anything like that. Here you can attach a link to the assignment. This option actually lets you pull in from your resources in Schoology. So here I can go to another course that I've created in the past. I can also go to my apps section as well, and I'll see Google Drive. So you also can access your Google Drive from there as well. You can even add an audio or video recording, helpful for your students that are still learning English or students that struggle reading. And then you also can add external tools, which is going to be more of an advanced feature. Other options that you can add inside of here is the insert content option. Here you can actually add images into your assignments. So if there is a map or a picture that they need to reference before they submit something, that can be an incredibly helpful feature. Math and science, you're going to see some of these math and science symbol options. You can also embed things like Google Drive, and you can pull from YouTube. All of these you can have within the screen. Always be sure that you add a due date. So I'm going to put this one for the future. You can add a time. So if you want to make that 11:59 by the end of the day, select a category that you're going to have to set up ahead of time. Sync to SIS. That's automatically checked. That means once it is graded, it will automatically go to focus. So you can either turn that on or off depending on your preference. Numeric. Here you can choose, is it going to be graded on 90, 93, 100? You can also attach or create a new rubric if you would rather do that. Here you can individually assign to students, so this is great for your modified and your inclusion students. Here you can lock the assignment, which allows students to still see it, but they just won't be able to turn anything in. So that's kind of how you can turn that on and off. You can allow them to submit things. I like to use that with Google Forms. So with Google Forms, once they're done submitting, it's done. So I usually turn that off. Here you can see that lock on specific days or lock now. Very, very helpful if you're waiting until the end of the quarter to lock assignments, but they can still see what they need. You can decide whether this is automatically published or unpublished. Comments enabled. This allows students to send you private comments about their assignment. And then this option allows you to copy to another course as you create. When you're done, all you have to do is tap on the create option and it's going to post at the very, very top. If you want to see what this looks like, simply open the assignment. And here you'll see all your instructions that you created. The date and due date are located on the top. You can send class assignments, especially if there's updates all classes need to know. You have immersive reader built in. So again, a really great feature for our students. And then you can edit grades, view statistics, information. From here, you can save this to your resources, copy to others, return it to a draft mode. Here, you're going to see a list of all of your students. You can actually tap on that drop down and break that down a little further, which is really helpful when you do, in fact, start to grade.